this video I'm going to show you how to create custom fields in Workforce. To access the custom field section, click Settings in the left hand menu, then Work in the top header menu here, and then click the Custom Fields tab. To add a new custom field, we'll click the Add New button. This will bring up a pop-up with all of our options. So I'll just start off by explaining what custom fields are. So effectively, they are bits of information you can capture on your job forms or in the customer section or for a particular customer. For example, you may want to capture how someone found you, or you may need to capture a serial number or an access code for a particular customer. You can do all of this and set all of this up here in the custom field section. You can create section-wide custom fields. So as an example, you want to, for marketing purposes, know every time you create a customer how a customer found you. Let's go and set up a custom field that will allow us to do this. Because we're setting up a section-wide custom field for all of our customers, we're going to click the customer section here, this button, and we can then choose if we want it to be a text field or a drop-down, or a date and time or text field with a suffix. But for now, we're just going to create a basic text field, and we're going to call it "How did they find us?" And once we're happy with that, we can see an example down here of exactly what it will look like. We can click the active button and then press save. Now that we've created that field, let's go and have a look at what that will look like. So let's go over to the customer section by clicking customers, then add new customer. And if you can see under this main section of filling in the company name, first name and last name, you'll now see our custom field here. So this will show every time you create a new customer. You can also create a custom field for a specific customer or a specific job template. So for example, let's create a custom field for a specific customer. So let's say we only want a custom field for Smith's Retail. So we'll click Smith's Retail here, click Done, and then we'll create a drop down now. And so we'll name our drop down premises type, and we'll give our drop down two fields, industrial or retail, so they can select. And as you can see, an example here. So this is an example of what it will look like on the page. If we're happy with this, we can click the active button and then click save. If we now go to Smith's Retail, so if we go to customers and find Smith's Retail, click view and click the edit button, you'll see now we have our field set up, which is a drop down, and you can now choose if Smith's Retail is industrial or retail. Once you've saved, you'll also be able to see the field and the answer here in the overview. And that's how you create custom fields in Workforce.